In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Alibaba's website, focusing specifically on managing your account settings. We'll be diving into how you can access your profile and make essential changes like updating your password, which is a fundamental step in maintaining the security and integrity of your account. This will be a straightforward walkthrough that should put you at ease when managing your account. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to Alibaba's official website. If you haven't been there before, Alibaba is a major platform where suppliers from all over the world list their products, and it's your gateway to countless business opportunities. Once you've made your way to their homepage, the real magic begins. Now, to move forward with changing your password, you'll need to navigate to your profile. You should find this option usually at the upper right corner of the website. It might be represented by a small icon, perhaps resembling a person or simply listed as Profile. Clicking on this will unfold a drop-down menu filled with various account options. Here comes the key part. Look for the option labeled as Account. It's a gateway to your personal account settings. Once you click on Account, you'll be directed to a more detailed page that showcases all the parameters tied to your identity on Alibaba. At this juncture, it's most critical to ensure that all your details are up to date, not just for security, but also for effective communication with suppliers or buyers. Now let's focus on modifying your password. Within the account settings, search for the option that says something like Change Password. This step is vital as it's where you'll manage the security of your account. When you click on Change Password, you're typically prompted to enter your current password for verification. That's just to confirm it is indeed you making these changes. Following this, you'll get to set your new password. Remember, when choosing a new password, it's advisable to create something robust. Ideally, it should be a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This complexity makes it considerably harder for anyone to guess or breach your account. Once you've crafted this new password, simply follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the change. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Alibaba, accessed your profile, and changed your password. Maintaining the security of your account by regularly updating your password is a small but crucial step you can take to safeguard your operations on such a significant platform. Well, that wraps up today's guide. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and empowers you to manage your profile with confidence. Thank you for tuning in.